Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the belt on a Cub Cadet XT1. Some of them you can adjust the cable linkage, while other ones you can't. I'm sorry, I'm reaching up top and engaging the belts, watching the levers. This one looks like it's done off springs and a cable. I said some are adjustable, some are not. And on this one it appears that they aren't. Here you can see the mechanism pull there, or up that tension cable right there. It goes right there, which it runs back up under here and connects right up there. Okay, so that answers the question. On this model of the Cub Cadet XT1, it is non-adjustable. You have to replace the belt. Well, hopefully this was useful to you all out there, and if it was, please, as always, give the video a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to the channel already, please do so.